Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Vidya Ka Gyan. Today we are going to speak about some facts on late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam full name was Aul Pakir Jainuladin Abdul Kalam. He was born on 15th October 1931 at Rameshwaram in India. He died on 27th July 2015 at Shillong. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam did many things in his life. He was a scientist, a leader, the President of India, and a teacher. Of all these roles, the most that gave him greatest joy was that of a teacher. His career as a scientist. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam attended the Madras Institute of Technology, where he received a degree in aeronautical engineering in 1960. After graduation, he joined the Defense Research Development Organization, an Indian military research institute, and later the Indian Space Research Organization. As a president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam served as President of Republic of India from 2002 to 2007. As President, Abdul Kalam promoted the advancement of National Nuclear Weapons Program. Dr. Kalam also devised a 20-year action plan to achieve economic growth through technology development in India. As a professor, after the end of his presidential term, he became a visiting professor at the Indian Institute of Management located at Ahmedabad, Indore, Shillong. He also taught at other universities such as IIT Hyderabad, IIS Bangalore, Anna University and Banaras University. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam wrote several books including an autobiography, Wings of Fire, Ignited Mind, India 2020, Turning Points, etc. Awards and achievements. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam won many awards both from Indian government and from the international community. His most notable awards were the Bharat Ratna won in 1997, Padma Vibhushan won in 1990 and the Padma Bhushan won in 1981 for his contribution to science and engineering and the service to the government. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam message to youth was to have great aim in life, continuously acquire the knowledge, work hard and preserve to realize great achievement. We will always remember the great Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam in our memories and try to follow the path shown by him to us to develop ourselves and our nation and make our India the number one country of this world. Jai Hind. Thanks for watching. For more videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Guys, you can also follow us on Instagram.